Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two CRM platforms, which is SugarCRM and Instantly. So let's get started with a quick overview. SugarCRM is a full-featured CRM platform built for mid-sized to large businesses needing a robust automation, deep customization, AI-powered insight, and a flexible deployment. It's also designed to handle complex workflow across sales, marketing, and support. I'm talking about Instantly, on the other side, is a modern cold emails and lead outreach platform with a light CRM functionality. It's designed for teams focused on outburst emails campaign, lead generation, and inbox rotation, making it ideal for SDRs, solo entrepreneur, and a growth tracking. Now, talking about what these two platforms are best for. So to get started with the SugarCRM, this SugarCRM platform is best for enterprise teams needing a customizable CRM infrastructure and a predictive sales intelligence. Now, talking about Instantly, on the other side, this platform is best for solo users and user teams focused on email outreach and a lead generation. Now, talking about the overall conclusion, so choose a SugarCRM if you are scaling a sales, if you're scaling sales and support operation and also need a full featured CRM with AI and automation, just go for the SugarCRM. On the other side, you can simply choose Instantly if your main goal is a cold outreach and email based lead generation and you don't need a traditional CRM system. Just go for Instantly. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.